In this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix the app keeps crashing issue on Etsy in a simple and practical way. First, understand this. When the Etsy app keeps crashing, freezing, or closing unexpectedly, it's usually caused by outdated versions, low storage, or temporary system glitches. Now, if you want to fix the Etsy app crashing issue, here's what to do. Start by restarting the app. Completely close the app, remove it from recent apps, then reopen it. This clears temporary glitches and often fixes the issue instantly. Next, update the app. Go to your App Store and update Etsy to the latest version because outdated apps are one of the most common causes of crashes. After that, restart your device. Turn your phone off, wait a few seconds, then turn it back on. This refreshes system memory and removes background conflicts. Then, check your device storage. Make sure you have at least a few gigabytes of free space. Low storage can cause apps to crash or behave unpredictably. Also, check your internet connection. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data, restart your router if needed, and avoid unstable networks. If the issue continues, try clearing the app cache or reinstalling the app. This removes corrupted data that might be causing the crashes. Keep in mind that most app crashes are temporary and can be fixed quickly with these basic steps. That's it. By updating the app, freeing up space, and refreshing your device, you can fix the crashing issue and use Etsy smoothly again.